Alexa, tell me about Mahindra Scorpio-N.
From carbloggindia.com. Mahindra Scorpio-N is a popular SUV that combines the practicality of a 7-seat SUV with off-roading capabilities.
Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today, let's just go through the Amazon Alexa in the Scorpio-N. To get started with the Amazon Alexa, just click the settings. You have the Alexa option here. Then you'll be taken to this page. Let's click Get Started. You get a page saying go to amazon.com/code and then enter this code. So that's what we'll do. And let's just enter the code given there. So once you're done registering your device, you're given a page with the instructions. Now this is an non-prime account that I have linked it with. So let's just click done. And as you can see, the Alexa connected icon has appeared. To see what Alexa can do, just
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
so once the device is registered, every time you say its name, it will get activated. If you want to disable that, just go to hands-free and disable it. You will get an icon like this when Alexa is disabled. So you can always go to things to try and see all the things that it can do. Now when the Prime account is not added, in case of songs, it will just play a few preloaded songs from Hungama Music. So let's try that. Alexa, play songs.
Here's Hungama music.
Apart from that, it has a few features which is in tune with the vehicle functions. For example, if you want to on the AC or off the AC, provided the fan is already running, all you have to do is say, Alexa, switch off the AC.
Okay.
And you can also just say, Alexa, switch on the AC.
Okay.
Now this will work only if the fan is on. So if I off the fan, it has no effect. So Alexa, switch on the AC.
Okay.
And we have nothing. Apart from that, if you say, Alexa, open the windows.
Okay.
It will roll down both the driver and the passenger windows. Alexa, close the windows.
Okay.
Apart from that, its function also includes opening and closing of sunroof. So let's say, Alexa, open the sunroof.
Okay.
Alexa, close the sunroof.
Okay.
So these are the few vehicle control features inbuilt with the Alexa. Apart from this, if you have any smart device linked with the Alexa in your Amazon account, all you can say is, Alexa, turn on the smart light.
I didn't find any smart home devices under Mukul's account. To get started, go to the devices section of the Alexa app.
Now I do not have any, so that's what it said. And The main feature that I enjoy of this is especially on long drives or whenever you're bored in that city traffic, you can just say things like, Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why are ghosts bad liars? Because you can see right through them.
Definitely, if you're stuck in that bumper to bumper traffic, anything will cheer you up. Of course, its true potential lies if you were to pair it with an Amazon Prime account, where you get access to Amazon Music, and then you can just ask it to play any song, and without a Prime account, it will just pick up the songs which are in JioSaavn library. Now, provided you have a good stable internet connection in the car-based SIM, you can have quite fun with it if you're on the long drive. Let's say, Alexa, tell me about Mahindra Scorpio-N.
From Carbloggindia.com. Mahindra Scorpio-N is a popular SUV that combines the practicality of a 7-seat SUV with off-roading capabilities.
Apart from this, you can also just check in with the weather. Alexa, tell me about the weather.
Right now in Bengaluru, it's 28 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has thunderstorms, with a high of 29 degrees and a low of 19 degrees. Happy Thursday!
So these are some of the basic features that come in the Amazon Alexa, which is in the Scorpio-N. Of course, its true potential is unlocked if you pair it with a Prime account, where it gives you access to Amazon Music and you can select any music that you want. Until then, it will select some of the music from the JioSaavn app. So I believe it's quite entertaining feature to have, whether you're on long drive, as long as you have network, and definitely if you're stuck in that bumper to bumper city traffic, any sort of entertainment would be welcomed. So if you guys have enjoyed the content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content, and I'll see you on the next one. Alexa, play the latest hits.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Alexa, what is the day today?
Sorry, I didn't get that. The internet isn't reachable.